Okay, so in the conclusion, if you are talking about, the NC machine has the following advantages. What are the advantages associated with? I was simply discussing the disadvantage, but now I'm going to discuss you the following advantages when we are going to compare with the other conventional machines. We are talking about the NC machine, right? We are talking about the NC machine. So I must tell you a full flexibility of the part. What are the advantages associated with that? A full flexibility of the part. A part program is needed for a new part. You are getting what I'm telling? Means, let us suppose we are having we are manufacturing a particular product, and later on we are looking for some other product. Okay, so that machine is fully flexible. A full flexibility is attained. A part program is needed to produce the new part. Let us suppose हम एक प्री एग्जिस्टिंग पार्ट्स को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं और हमें अब क्या करना है, न्यू पार्ट को प्रोड्यूस करना है, In that case, what we will do? We will simply give the input to the new program, for the new production, right? Okay, so accordingly accuracy, so if we are associated with the quality, accuracy is maintained throughout the whole range of speed and speed and feed. मतलब पूरे प्रोसेस में जो एक्यूरेसी रहेगी वो क्या रहेगी, थ्रू आउट मेंटेन रहेगी. पूरे प्रोसेस में जो एक्यूरेसी रहेगी वो इंटायर प्रोसेस में क्या होगा, सेम होगा, इंटायर प्रोसेस में सेम होगा. और व्हाट आर द इंटायर प्रोसेस रेंज, दैट इज द स्पीड, यू कैन से देम स्पीड और यू कैन से द फीड. और आपको बता दें द प्रोडक्शन टाइम ऑफ ऑन एनसी मशीन इज वेरी शॉर्ट.
दूसरा पजामा का रकम नहीं लाऊं जो
दिस
दूसरा पजामा, एक सफेद है और एक दूसरा पजामा.
Please do not use the background music, please. Okay. So what I said, a full flexibility, a part program is needed for producing a new part. Secondly, I told you accuracy is maintained throughout the full range of speed and the range. And thirdly, I told you they are requiring the short production time. You know, the cycle of production is very less. And then later on, the possibility of manufacturing a part of complicated contours. You know, a very complex geometrical part can be easily manufactured on the NC or CNC machine, right? So it can be easily adjustable machine. Which required less time with the other manufacturing method. You know, which required the less time than if you're comparing with the other manufacturing process. Then the need for the high skill and the experienced operator is avoided. The need for highly experienced and skilled operator is avoided. Why it is so? Once we are going to put the input by the programming, when the programmer have written the program, simply put it on the computer system, the operator work is to start the program and act accordingly. You are getting what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
इसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा आपको स्किल्ड ऑपरेटर की जरूरत नहीं होती है. हाँ, एक गुड प्रोग्रामर की जरूरत है. प्रोग्रामर ने क्या किया, प्रोग्राम लिख दिया और उस प्रोग्राम को मशीन के इनपुट में दे दिया गया और अकॉर्डिंगली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ऑपरेटर अकॉर्डिंगली क्या होगा, ऑपरेटर अपना क्या कर सकता है, ऑपरेटर अपना काम कर रहा है. Even the person who is working on the machine may be the ITI or maybe the diploma, and if you are not these two, then that may be the others, and others in a phenomenon, he must be trained on that machine. Simply that is only the requirement. Okay, so need for the highly skilled and the experienced operator must be avoided, and the operator has the free time. You know, the cycle, let us suppose we are going to make a steering pin, and we are going to make a steering pin component. Okay, so in that component, what we will do? We are simply let us suppose the cycle time for that particular component is very less. मान लो कि 15 मिनट का एक साइकिल टाइम है. तो आपने क्या किया, आप सीएनसी मशीन को देखेंगे. नाउ दिस इज वेरी कॉमन इन इंडस्ट्री. सीएनसी मशीन का क्या होता है, ये फेस और ये फेस, दोनों मशीन ऐसे होंगे, दोनों का फेस एक साइड में होगा, सो दैट वन ऑपरेटर कैन हैंडल दिस मशीन एज वेल दिस मशीन. Okay, so the operator can handle both machines at the same time because one component is having the cycle time of 15 minutes. So accordingly, you can go ahead. Okay. So the operator has free time, and the time must be used for looking after the other machine or the other operator, right? Okay. So if you are talking about the main disadvantage of the NC machine, so सबसे पहले आपको पता है initial cost is very high, so the relative rate is higher in cost. ये पहला disadvantage है. Okay. Then more complicated maintenance. Maintenance is a big headache for the NC and the CNC machine both. And दोनों के लिए ये disadvantages हैं. पहला क्या होता है? The investment cost, the initial cost is very high. Then more complicated maintenance. मतलब a special maintenance crew is desirable. And third one is a highly skilled and properly trained part programmer is needed. So these are the three drawbacks. These are the three, drawbacks. You can say these are the three drawback, or you can say these are the three disadvantages associated with the NC and the CNC machine. What are those? First, I told you the relatively higher cost, means the initial cost is very high, so the more complicated maintenance, or you can say a special maintenance crew is desirable. And third one is a highly skilled and the properly trained part programmer is needed. These are the three drawbacks. These are the three disadvantages associated with the NC as well as the CNC machine. I must tell you why it is more complicated maintenance, why it is having the more complicated maintenance, and why it is more, if something is happened to that machine, if something is happened to the CNC machine or the NC machine, only those person who is concerned for that particular machine can handle. Otherwise, it cannot be handled by the local technician. It cannot be handled by the local technician. Only the maintenance crew for that particular company will come and they will maintain the machine and they will act accordingly. Got it? So there are the several classifications. There are the several, I must tell you one remarkable, evidences in association with this is what? Despite of all these attractive features, what NC machine have, okay, so the penetration of NC equipment into the US industry has been, exogenely slow, very slow. Okay, so in the late of 1980s, less than 4% of the machine tool in the US industry were numerically controlled. इतने सारे फीचर्स होने के बाद भी यूएस इंडस्ट्री में ये सारे जो एक्सेप्ट किए गए, ओके, वो 1980s में they are less than 4%. They are less than 4% of all the machine tool in US industry were numerically controlled, and that is accounted for only 12% of total production. They are only responsible for 12% of the total production. What I told you, what I said, just listen it carefully. What I said you, despite of all those attractive features in NC machine, the penetration of NC equipment into the US industry has been agonizingly slow. In 1980s, only less than 4%. ध्यान रखना, in 1980s, less than 4% of all machine tool in US industry were numerically controlled, and they are accounted for 12% of the total production. टोटल प्रोडक्शन का 12% केवल ये कवर करते थे, जो कि हम जो एनसी मशीन से हम लोग करते थे. सोचिए कितना मतलब स्लो एक्सेप्टेंस आया इसका. Why it is so? Because of the initial cost is very high. Because the initial cost is very high. If you go ahead, last class we have discussed about what are the 4 inputs. ओके, लास्ट क्लास में हमने आपको बताया था कि क्या उसके 4 इनपुट्स होते हैं. आप लोगों को बताया था कि विद द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एनसी, a variety of input medium has been used to present the information from the drawing to the product to the MCU के बारे में हमने बताया था लास्ट क्लास में. ओके, लास्ट क्लास में हमने MCU के बारे में बताया था. ओके, तो हमने क्या क्या बताया था. NC machine is using the 4 input medium, and what are those 4 medium they are using? They are using the punch card, they are using the punch paper tape, they are using the magnetic tape, they are using the floppy disk. Floppy disk you have seen? Floppy disk you might have been seen. I don't think that you people have, because when you are in school, that advancement has been come a lot. So might be some of you people are familiar about the floppy disk and all. Okay, so these are the four input medium. These are the following four types of the input medium that is used in the NC machine for giving the input. And what are those? What are those? That maybe I already told you. They may be the punch card, they may be the punch paper tape, they may be the magnetic tape, and they may be the floppy disk. Okay, so I already discussed in the previous class that you are aware about. I told you the name of one scientist whose name is the Jacques Maria Jacquard. What? Joseph Maria Jacquard. I already told you in the previous class. Joseph Maria Jacquard. He was the first person to use the card with the punch hole. Use the card with the punch hole. And why have you? He is not using all those techniques. He is not using all those techniques for the production. He is not using all those techniques for the production. He was using all those techniques for waving machine. You know what I'm telling? Just listen it carefully. I'm talking about the punch card. I'm talking about the punch card. You must keep in the mind. You must keep in the mind. Joseph Maria Jacquard, whose name is Joseph Maria Jacquard. He was the first person to use the card with punch hole. He was the first person to use the card with the punch hole. Okay, so which is as an input medium of an automatic weaving machine for guiding the threads through the hole. He has invented those technologies for arranging or guiding the thread through the holes. And they are the different patterns. And for what purpose they are using? They need to develop the different pattern. They need to develop the different patterns of waving, which is generated by the different cards. You got it? What I'm telling? हमने क्या बताया कि जोसेफ मैरिया जैक्वार्ड जो थे वो फर्स्ट पर्सन थे जिन्होंने इस कार्ड को, पंच कार्ड को होल किया. उन्होंने क्या किया? रेक्टेंगुलर होल किया पंच के ऊपर, और रेक्टेंगुलर पंच करके, और उससे क्या किया उन्होंने? एज एन इनपुट मीडियम ऑफ द ऑटोमेटिक वेविंग मशीन, उसमें थ्रेड को गाइड करने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू एडमिट द डिफरेंट पैटर्न ऑफ द वेविंग. बुनाई में, धागों की बुनाई में अलग अलग पैटर्न डेवलप करने के लिए उन्होंने पहली बार यूज किया क्या? पंच कार्ड. ओके, सो आपको बता दें कि उसके बाद लेटर ऑन डॉक्टर हरमन होलीरथ, उनका नाम था डॉक्टर हरमन होलीरथ. ये इन्होंने क्या किया? ही हैज डेवलप कमर्शियली. ओके, इन्होंने क्या किया कि कमर्शियली इन्होंने क्या किया? पंच कार्ड को बिजनेस टैबुलेटर्स के लिए यूज किया. तो सबसे पहले जो पंच कार्ड बनाया, द टू टाइप ऑफ पंच कार्ड इज वेरी पॉपुलर. The two type of punch card is very popular. One is Univac. One is manufactured by the Univac, and secondly you are familiar, they are IBM. पहला किसने? यूनिवैक ने बनाया, और दूसरा किसने बनाया? IBM ने. और उसमें क्या होता था? They are having the different information, and that information is accumulated by a standard punch card. और स्टैंडर्ड पंच की साइज क्या होती थी? पंच कार्ड, स्टैंडर्ड पंच कार्ड, which is the standard size of पोस्ट कार्ड. देखा है आप लोगों ने? पोस्ट कार्ड के साइज का वो पंच कार्ड होता था. मतलब 738 मतलब 738 into 314 इंचेज में बता रहा हूं. 7 पुलांग 7 3/8 into 314. These are the dimension of card in inches. So this much size cards they are using for giving the input medium. This card have 80 number of columns and 80 number of columns and 12 number of rows. Okay, and it is in the rectangular form. It is in the form of rectangular hole. And sometimes in place of the 80 column we are using the 120 columns. Sometimes in place of the 80 column, as per the requirement, we are using the 120 column card also available for the same objective. Right? You got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I must add one more thing. One more thing about MCU we are talking about. MCU के बारे में हम लोग बात कर चुके हैं. ठीक है, MCU के बारे में हम लोग बात कर चुके हैं. तो MCU के बारे में आप जान जाइए कि हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ MCU सो फार वी आर यूजिंग इन द मॉडर्न इंडस्ट्री. ओके, एनसी में MCU का कौन कौन सा टाइप्स होता है, हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा. MCU में का 3 टाइप्स होता है. एवरी एनसी मशीन टूल हैज मेन यूनिट विच इज नोन एज द MCU. आपको बता दिए हैं कि एनसी मशीन का जो मेन यूनिट होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, मशीन कंट्रोल यूनिट. एंड मशीन कंट्रोल यूनिट में क्या होता है, विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ which consist of some electronic circuitry. ठीक है, that is what hardware. और हार्डवेयर क्या करता है, that read the NC program. हार्डवेयर क्या करता है, that read the NC program. Got it? That read the NC program. ओके, उसके क्या करता है, उसको इंटरप्रेट करता है, और इंटरप्रेट करने के बाद फाइनली क्या करता है, फाइनली translate it for the mechanical action of the machine tool. तो आप जान जाइए कि मशीन कंट्रोल यूनिट 3 तरह का होता है. मशीन कंट्रोल यूनिट में भी of 3 types. One is the housed MCU, another is the swing around, and third one is the stand alone. तो सबसे पहले मैं बात करूंगा housed MCU का. Housed MCU I already told you. Housed MCU क्या होता है, this MCU itself may be mounted on the machine tool or may be built in the caging of the machine tool. Yesterday I told you in the previous class, so the microcomputer is mounted on the same frame of the machine. That is what housed MCU. That's why I said you this MCU itself may be mounted on the machine tool or may be mounted in the caging of the machine. Okay, machine के साथ ही वो microcomputer integrated हो. That is what housed MCU. Second type is swing around. Have you seen if you went to the industry? Swing around में क्या होता है, it can move around the machine. The arm will move around the machine so that from any corner of the machine you can easily operate them. So this MCU is directly mounted on the machine and which can swing around, चारों तरफ घूम सकता है, which can swing around it and can be adjusted as per the requirement. It can be adjusted as per the requirement of the operator. Okay, so this arrangement is very useful for large working space around the machine. What are their drawbacks? उसको पूरा 360 डिग्री घूमने के लिए उसको large space चाहिए, so that comfortably you can locate their position anywhere else where the operator wants or the operator desire. And thirdly, I must tell you, stand alone MCU. stand alone मतलब अकेला, मतलब समझ लीजिए आप कि मशीन अलग रहेगा, उसका MCU मशीन से हट के कहीं और रहेगा. तो आप ध्यान रखिएगा, दिस MCU इज इनक्लोज्ड इन ए सेपरेट केबिन. एक सेपरेट केबिन होगा जो मशीन से दूर होगा, उस केबिन में MCU रखा रहता है. उस केबिन में क्या रखते हैं हम लोग, MCU मशीन को रखते हैं. सो द MCU इज इनक्लोज्ड इन अ सेपरेट कैबिनेट and which is installed at some remote or some place which is near to the machine but not exactly on the machine, which is near to the machine, which is not exactly to the machine. So this is the 3 types so far I have told you. What are those? Housed MCU, swing around MCU, and a stand alone MCU. Got it?
Yes, sir.